Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play a simple song, How Great Is Our God. Let's get into it. Okay guys, so normally I would take a capo. If you don't have a capo, go buy a capo. This is a regular capo. G7th, I believe, is the brand. You can get it in the link below. I would normally play this as the song is usually played in a C. I would normally put this on the 4th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 4th fret, just like that. Basically, a capo, it will help you with transposing chords. Say, if I wanted to play this in a B instead of playing an actual B chord, I could just play it in a G shape like this. If you don't know these chords, G, E minor, C, D, as the song is played, I would encourage you to check out my video going over these chords. And I will post that in the links below. So, say you don't have a capo, we're just going to do it in the key of G. So, key of G, and then it's going to go to an E minor, and it's going to go to a C, and that's going to be the intro. Strumming pattern, I'm just going down, 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 up, down, C, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, back to the G. That's basically the intro and the strumming pattern, G, E minor, C. All right, let's get into the verse. Okay, now the verse is going to be the same. You're going to go G, splendor of a king, E minor, clothed in majesty, let all the earth to the sea rejoice, all the earth rejoice. C, repeat to the G, he wraps himself in light. To the E minor, and darkness tries to hide, it trembles at his voice. To the C, trembles at his voice. Okay, and that is the first verse. Let's get into the chorus. So you're going to a G in the chorus. Great is our God. Sing with me to the E minor. Great is our God. And all will see how to see. How great to the D is our God. Back to the G. And that's it. That's the chorus. All right, now let's get into the bridge. The bridge is going to be in that G. 'Cause you're the name above all names. To the E minor. Worthy of all praise. To the C. My heart will sing how great. To the D is our God. Back to the G. Basically, the whole song is going to be a G, E minor, C, D. In the very beginning, you're going to play a G, E minor, C for the intro. The verse is going to be the exact same thing. It's going to be G, E minor, C. And then the chorus, you're just going to add a D. It's going to go G, E minor, C, D. G, E minor, C, D. And then on the bridge, it's the same exact thing. G, E minor, C, D. So there's really not a whole lot of movement in chords on this other than those 4 chords. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found it useful and helpful, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date with all the videos I will be putting out. If you have a recommendation of a song that you would like me to teach, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I will get to it as soon as I can. Guys, thank you so much. And again, as I said, if you have any questions on these chords, go ahead and reference the first video I put out on going over the basics of guitar. Stay tuned, guys. See you on the next video.